Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the 4G plus speed test in the Realme X1 Max device after the recent update, which is 8.20 update. Yes friends, after this October security patch update, I'm getting a couple of comments regarding the 4G plus speed has been decreased in this Realme X1 Max device. So let me to show you the comments which I got here. So in the Realme X1 Max, after the software update, the network speed has been decreased a little bit, as you can see. So these are comments which I'm getting. I did get comments from I think 4 to 5 comments regarding the network speeds in the Realme X1 Max device. So please let me know in the comment section below. In case if you're using the Realme X1 Max, I just want to confirm that how many of the users are actually having this kind of similar kind of problem. So right now I'm trying to use the 8.20 update, which is October security patch update. 8.20. Let's see by using this 8.20 update what we can actually expect the 4G plus speeds we can get or not. So which network connectivity, that's what I'm going to discuss in this video. And during this process I'm trying to use a Jio SIM card as an example. Right now as you can see friends, Jio SIM card. First let me just show you the 4G plus whether I'm getting or not. Yes, I'm getting 4G plus, but let's see throughout this time whether the 4G plus will be remaining consistent or not. While I'm trying to do some kind of download and some kind of speed test, I just want to download this 60 MB file size just to see what is happening with the 4G plus. So just now the 4G plus sign again it's gone. So usually in this kind of location I used to get the 4G plus continuously like 2cc. So it used to connect to 2 bands always, but right now I'm not getting any kind of 4G plus sign. I'm not trying to move the phone completely, I'm just trying to keep it one location as well. So please let me know in the comment section below friends, what are your thoughts on this one. Are you getting any kind of good speeds or not? 4G plus you're getting or not after the recent update? So just let me know in the comment section below. Definitely this will be different from one person to other user. So in case if you're in the metropolitan city or big cities, so you should not be worried about this 4G plus signs. In my location I did feel the 4G plus slightly kind of not staying, because before I did do plenty of 4G plus testing and the Realme X1 Max used to have really good 4G plus connection toward the time, but right now I'm getting only single band 850 only, not getting 2cc. Now let's see with the speeds what I will be getting 4G plus 4G speeds, whether I can actually get any kind of 4G plus or not. Now I'm getting 4G plus on the top as you can see, but I'm getting only single band. There is no 2cc bands. I'm getting single band. Again the 4G plus is gone. So usually if you try to watch my previous videos, the 4G plus will remain consistent, right? So in the Realme X1 Max, but right now it's not staying that consistent. So in the indoor conditions, so definitely. So it also depends upon the indoor and outdoor conditions. So usually in my studio room I used to always get the full signals, I mean full 4G plus, but right now a little bit what I'm not getting. So 16.8 speeds I'm getting, 16.8 Mbps speeds. Using the Jio SIM card, same Jio SIM card I'm trying to use every time. And there's no 4G plus sign as well, as you can see friends. So please let me know in the comment section below friends, what are the experience about this Realme X1 Max after the recent update. Did you feel any change or not? Is it for me or is it for few users? So that's what I'm going to just see in the comments of this video mainly. So that's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. In case if you're having any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.